Folks, how we doing? Carl here again, and today I'm just doing a review on this microphone. It's the Blue Yeti. It's a singing review, and as you all know, I can't sing for shit, so I'm going to get a little help from my daughter Katie, who's a bit shy on camera, so the feet will do. Anyway, I have the mic on the setting that looks like an ass, which is probably the direction from the front of the microphone that sings in this side and not the back. And Katie's just going to give us a song, and there's no pop filter on the mic, and I've got the gain up to about 11, so at your leisure, Katie.
Woke up from dreaming and put on his shoes. Started making his way past 2 in the morning. He hasn't been sober for days. Leaning now into the breeze, remembering Sunday. He falls to his knees. They had breakfast together, but 2 eggs don't last like the feeling of what he needs. Now this place is familiar to him. He pulled on her hand with a devilish grin. He led her upstairs, left her dying to get in. Forgive me, I'm trying to find my calling, I'm calling at night. I don't mean to be a bother, but have you seen this boy?
Now, check that out for a bit of singing. Requests, you can comment down below and hit a like. For the microphone, but number 1 for Katie there. What a great voice. Thanks, Katie, for helping me out. Anyway, that's the Blue Yeti on a totally raw sound test of singing. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Adios for now.